How much does an electrician make in Vatican City? The truth is that Vatican City has no domestic labor market at all, which is why a true electrician's salary in Vatican City simply does not exist. With only roughly 800 residents, the state relies on about 5,000 workers who commute in daily, mostly from Rome. Electrical tasks are done either by internal maintenance departments or contracted to Italian companies. Because these workers are paid under Italian laws, their actual take-home pay matches Italian standards. While direct Holy See employees pay no income tax, they earn under special religious terms instead of market rates. So if you look at how much does an electrician make in Vatican City, you are really looking at electrician wages in Rome. An Italian worker earns about $28,500 after tax there. Higher education helps too, because moving into a site supervisor or project manager role brings higher average electrician pay. Meanwhile, large international contractors pay noticeably more than small local firms. Early on, electrician income starts lower, but gaining experience brings quick raises before pay levels off without a promotion. Formula estimates often list inaccurate figures, so checking Rome gives you the real picture of average electrician pay for this unique location.